Alright, got some more stuff. Red Rhino. And so this again is be either on my website or it's gonna, you know, either I'm gonna put it on my website or I'll put it on my eBay store. There's more stuff for the 100 horsepower Merc that's out there that's for the 1964. Alright, so what I got, get this thing open. So as I buy them, I'm going to try to do some video. So I bought a water pump and I bought a fuel line. So the first thing we're going to talk about is this fuel line. Alright, so here's the Red Rhino fuel line. This would be for Mercury. It'll be a 3/8 inch fuel line. And this comes with both connectors. And you can see they're aluminum connectors. This is a tank end. This is the engine end. So you could try to go find these and you're going to have a hard time. Good solid, you know, bulb. It's a nice bulb. And anyway, it's a low permeation fuel line. Meets EPA and carb standards, low permeation, SAE J1527 class, or ISO 8469, engineered for use with today's new ethanol fuels. So this has been re-engineered. If you hear about the gray line, they fixed all that. When they first, it was bad, but kink-free hose. It's for 2 and 4 cycle applications. So this is a good fuel line. And so if you're looking for a new fuel line for the old school Mercs with the old tank and with this connection, this is what you want.